Multiply 0.45 by 20 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 0. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The first partial product is 0. Now use the tens digit, 2. Start one place to the left. 2 times 5 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. 2 times 4 plus the carried 1 is 9. The second partial product is 900. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. The ones and tens columns each add to 0. Move right to left, 1 column at a time. In the hundreds column, bring down 9. The product of the whole numbers is 900. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 2 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 2 decimal places. Place the decimal point 2 places from the right. 900 becomes 9.00. That is simply 9. So 0.45 times 20 is 9.